Caroline, you don't have to lose your mind. Just be sure that you're on time to your next 2 appointments. Caroline, amber hair and big blue eyes, locks herself behind the light and spins her favorite records. 'Cause she's got some dreams in her heart. She just needs somewhere to start. I don't wanna be the one to tell you. You don't need to be the last to know. Got big dreams and an attitude. Everything you need, what you need to do is go. Just go.
Henrik, you're next.
Henrik, yeah, Henrik!
Caroline, standing on the starting line. Foot slipped out and you fell down a mile from the finish. Caroline, coming in at 4'9". Everybody talks so big, but you don't have to listen. 'Cause you've got some dreams and some cash. You just need somewhere to crash. And I don't wanna be the one to tell you. You don't need to be the last to know. Got big dreams and an attitude. Everything you need, what you need to do is go. Just go.
He ate it! Oh, he's so cute!
Caroline, know you're gonna be just fine, but your name belongs in lights with all the constellations.
I am light as a feather.
Change is hard, but it's gonna take you far. Pick up your guitar and tell me why you're so frustrated.